Alright, welcome to the video on prepping your waistband for your skirt. So make sure that you have interfacing on your waistband. So if you don't, make sure that you do have interfacing. Make sure that it is pressed. Okay. And normally you do have notches that you would use to line up to your skirt, and that's really important. You'll see that in most tutorials. I did notice most of you did not actually put notches on your waistband. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to need to make sure that when you line it up, I'll go over in a second, but you have to do that overlap where the zipper is. So you're just going to have to adjust accordingly because most of you did not put the markings on there. Now what you can do is go ahead and fold. You have the edge that you're going to line up to your skirt. But you can go ahead and mark 1/2 inch and already fold and press on the other edge of your waistband. So you can either use your seam gauge, okay, and do that, or you can use your ruler and some chalk and mark off 1/2 inch because that's what you're going to fold. Another thing that you can do is I've discovered these are great tools. These gel pens from Friction Clicker. You can mark on these. You can see I marked it with green, and if you press it with the steam, the mark goes away. So it's kind of like replaces your water soluble. So it's great. So you can use that as well. So you can use chalk if you don't have chalk, because a lot of you I noticed were using chalk from the classroom. You can order some of these, but you should have some chalk actually. But you can use this as well if you want, if it makes it easier. And then you're just going to fold and press. So fold and press, so you can have that 1/2 inch fold already on here. You want to give it a really good press, okay? So don't rush it. Give it a really good press. So it's already at the 1/2 inch mark when you're done. Okay? So do that. And then what you're going to do is you're going to attach to your skirt right sides together. So this is the right side, this is the right side, and I'm going to attach. Okay? Now, since you don't have the notches, when you attach, make sure that when you have your zipper, okay, this is the back, okay, you're going to have a 1 inch overlap from the edge, 1 inch on the right hand side, 1/2 inch on the other. You're going to have more overlap on the right hand side than you do on the left, okay? So you're going to line it up, okay, right sides together, and you're going to pin. So like you would do this and make sure that you pin horizontally like this, and go ahead and pin. And again, make sure that you have your 1 inch overlap on the right hand side and 1/2 inch on the left hand side of the zipper, okay? So attach this way, and then show you how to attach.